Hey everybody! Today we're going to learn on how to preview files fast with a Mac-style quick look in Windows 11 using PowerToys. This activates a high-speed background engine called Peek, letting you preview photos, code files, PDFs, and Microsoft Office documents instantly without launching their actual apps. First, click the Start button, type PowerToys, and select PowerToys Settings. Look at the navigation sidebar menu. Click File Management tab and click on Peek. Locate the toggle switch at the very top explicitly labeled Enable Peek and click it to flip it completely on. Close the settings window, open your File Explorer directory, and click once on any document or image file to highlight it. Press space on your keyboard to instantly trigger a clean, lightweight preview window over your workspace. Use your keyboard arrow keys to dynamically scroll through other files in the same folder, updating the preview image seamlessly in real time. Hit the space key a second time or press Escape to instantly close the preview pane and return straight to your active window. And that's it! Your Mac-style file preview layout is now completely enabled and optimized. I hope it helps you in your current and future project. Thank you for watching.